want to take to see if they got a elevator.
Yeah, they got an elevator.
Oh my God, you're funny. Okay, y'all, we at the airport. I put my meta glasses on, and yeah, we got a check-in bag, y'all, for the first time. I mean, not check-in, carry on. Can't get out the elevator. Y'all, the only thing I hate about these meta glasses is you gotta make sure your hair don't get in the way, okay? If your hair get in the way of these meta glasses, your whole fucking footage is just gone. But y'all, we came down because we gotta go to Terminal A. It's kind of hard pushing my bag. So, yeah. It's so hard to roll this on carpet. Now we're going international. That's the subway. We gotta go up. How you know ain't no elevator? How you know? You didn't even see. Around the corner. Okay. I got a lot. Babe, I can't do it. I'm scared. Yeah, I'm so scared. I don't even know why. Okay. Huh? You can go. Yeah, this shit is funny. Huh? Y'all, look at this little train. What they trying to be like? I didn't even know Houston had this.
They got this shit in Atlanta.
Right? I think in Vegas too. But there's like really like on the outside.
I need a drink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's some food.
Ain't no planes out here yet, but it's still just like, you know, a good view.
I love this view.
They're busy up in here. Yeah, the airport is pretty packed. We in Mexico. Faye is over there waiting for the bags. And yeah, we just here, y'all. We just landed. Look how she's standing up there, y'all. She is tired of waiting on these bags, y'all. It was a lot of people up in here though, like a lot of people. It is starting to clear out, but it is still a lot of people here. Once Bae get her bag, we can go ahead and go to the resort. Oh, we got our bags, Bae. You excited? Time. Some boomerang. I don't know where to go. Oh. A lot of stuff. I have nothing. Mm-mm-mm. He like, I smell her. He probably smell ass. Nah, he probably smell like ass. No. Hmm?
I need to the plastic bag. Any food?
No.
In the, oh, okay, this is plastic bag.
Oh, food. Yes, there's food in there.
What is?
Chicken.
Okay, your product is not allowed for sanitary regulation.
Okay, you can throw it away.
In the container, please.
Yeah. Let's see this.
Take it, take it.
Yeah, they can get the other bag.
Mr. Hernandez is going to be your driver today. He's going to take care of you, okay?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you.
Just watch your head. Be careful when you park.
Where you want to sit at? I'm going to sit at that. Excuse me.
Oh,
Okay, watch it.
oh, your bag is open.
Okay,
What bag?
bye-bye. Your location.
Oh, okay.
Your location, adios.
Look, y'all. We have made it. Thank you. It's quiet. I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah, she said it in her video. You want some quiet, not bumping. What you told us to see this?
Good life.
You hit it? Yeah. Some good ice too. Alright, here we are in Mexico, Cancun, Mexico. This is our resort. I would say I wish the view was a little bit better, but it's cool. Anyways, let's go see our resort. It's gonna be a little room tour. Hi. Hi.
Welcome to mi casa. Mi casa and tu casa, motherfuckers.
Let's see the bathroom.
This the closet. It's an empty closet though, you know. Little storage, not too much, but we ain't staying here, so we was my bad. Cause Bae said she don't like sleeping with me, y'all. My bad. Her bad. Y'all see how they don't like her? They gave me the elephant. And then dining area. TV. TV. Huh? And then, we're not done yet. We got some beer, some Pepsi. Look like some orange
I'm actually
soda.
gonna try that beer just because.
And what Chicago. So yeah. All inclusive.
Anyways, like I said, the view is not pretty good, but you know what? We at a resort. We not here to stay. We here to go explore. You feel me?
What should I put on? My bathing suit? Should I put my bathing suit on?
Yeah, you can. My baby getting hangry because she hungry. I get it though. Babe, come on. What is she doing? Babe, what are you doing?
Looking for my sunglasses. Bam. Let's go.
Let me see.
Ooh, Mama, baby, baby, come on. All right, let's go.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Like, you sure?
Did you close the balcony?
Yeah.
Oh, look, I think we go this way.
Damn, bro, we in Mexico.
Yeah, this hair ain't gonna last.
Why you say that?
The curls look happy. Look the coconut out.
They drink it, babe.
I miss my house.
What? You getting homesick already?
I miss my home.
What did you just say?
I miss my home. Like, I wish we could go out of town, but when we go back in the room,
It'll
it
be
could
your
our
house.
Yeah.
I miss the cats.
Okay.
I miss the cats. was about to go get some food, but they saw the ocean and she wanted to go put on her swimsuit.
So y'all, we pretty much chilled for the rest of that day. It was a very relaxing day, y'all. We did get some Italian food. It was about a 6 out of 10, but again, we were just happy to be there. We got in the pool and then ordered some room service, and y'all, we rushed out the room just to catch the fireworks. We did get here on July the 4th. No, look at your cap. You look like that girl from off of that train. What's that girl? Polar Express?
See?
Is it Polar Express, that little girl?
Oh, God.
Yeah, look at that. I can't talk because I got on a big shirt. She's doing a photo shoot. You want to walk closer?